Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw an Among Us Sonic the Hedgehog. So let's get started. It's going to be simple and for beginners. So watch the whole video and yeah, I'll let you know at the very end. Let's do it. Curve right here, just like a curve for the front of the lens of the crewmate. Then I'm going to go over here to the top, kind of pull across like so. I'm going to go over here along this edge and I'm going to curve down. And then over here on this side, I'm going to pull along the bottom. There you go. So we got like the lens of the crewmate so far. All right. Now we're going to go over here for the top of the head, which is going to be more or less Sonic's spike. It's going to be a pretty large curve, okay? So curve over here. It's going to pull inward now. Curve in. Going to do another curve out. And then we're going to pull back in. Don't worry about being super exact. It's just like you want to get it close enough, and that's pretty much all you need. I'm going to go over here to the front now, and I'm going to start over here, and I'm going to pull a line downward. Relatively long. Not too long, though, okay? Right on. I'm going to go over here, and I'm going to curve like this, kind of like basically we're going to be, it's like his foot or his leg area, curve right here. It's going to go line up. Line underneath. Going to go over here now, we're going to pull down over here on this side for kind of the leg. And then same thing, we're going to just draw that curve underneath. Maybe around, try to make it around this point because we're going to connect these two lines. Don't forget to hit the like button, by the way, if you like the slow way I'm teaching this or you like Sonic or Among Us. When you hit the like, sends the video out a lot more people, and yeah, really helps the channel out if you do want to support. It's the best free way to do it. It takes less than a second. Now we're going to connect these. More or less just pull that line straight down and connect. Merge it up here. And we're going to go over here now. Curve out. Pulling downward right here. We're going to have the backpack of Sonic, or of the crewmate part. Pull down. We're almost done, by the way, so stick around. We're really almost done. So I'm going to go over here. We're going to pull down. It's really hot over here lately. It's hot in the city, so it's kind of hard to draw this because it's so warm. Curve underneath. Okay, let's go over here to the sock area. So I'm going to go over here and draw like almost like the number 3. And I'm going to do like an opposite 3 on the other side. Over here on this side. Number 3 on the, or like, you know, I guess like an opposite 3. Same thing on that side. Those are going to be Sonic's socks, pretty much. And now I'm going to curve just a connecting line right here. Same thing over here on this side, just a curve a connecting line. Doing good. You're doing good. All right, so stay with me here. I'm going to go right here and draw a pattern for the stomach, right, of Sonic. So I'm going to go up, pull up. Kind of continue to curve over here. And then pull down over here. Over here on this side. Up, down. Over here on this side. Up, down. That's going to be for obviously the ears of Sonic. And now we're going to draw in there, we're going to draw a little triangle. So real simple. Line across, up over here, down. Very simplistic little triangle. Don't forget, by the way, go check out the stickers that we have in the shop. I'm going to link them a lot in the description there. We have this really amazingly cool Snoopy as Chainsaw Man. There's gonna be a lot of funny ideas, and if you want to give any ideas, that would be great as well. But go check out the stickers in the sticker store right now. I'm gonna be adding to them, especially around the Halloween season. Okay, cool, cool. We're doing really good. So we need his feet. Okay, gonna go right here now, and I'm gonna draw a line downward for the back of the shoe. Over here on this side, downward over here. And curve, like so. Over here on this side, downward. Out over here, cross. And line underneath. There we go. Outward, in, kind of for like a spike sticking out of the back of the kind of the backpack area, you know. So let's color the shoe real fast. So right here we're gonna draw a line down and a line down. There's usually a big stripe around the shoe. Over here now, curve down, and over here, curve down. We're not done. We have a few finishing touches, and then we're gonna be done. Okay. I want you to, if you made it this far, go check out the free, ebook in the description as well. There's a lot of cool tools there for you, like free tools to go check out in the description. So go take a look at those when you have time. So right here on the screen, we are gonna give him a little bit of flavor. So I'm gonna draw just a curve across, like so, to kind of make it look like a reflection. And we're gonna draw a circle over here. Right on. And let me see, are we missing anything? I think we're almost done. We're gonna do one last thing, and I'm gonna draw a thick line around the border, and I'm gonna give you a kind of parting message here. When you're drawing, so we're just drawing a slightly thicker line around the outside of the character. When you're drawing, you want to keep this stuff fun. It's like the best way to do it. The more fun this is, and the more fun that you keep it, just the better you're going to get at it, the more you're going to want to work at it, the more you're going to want to draw. A lot of that stuff really comes down to how much fun you're having while you're doing it. So never forget that, okay? That's something that most people immediately forget. They immediately stop doing it. They immediately just kind of think, oh, this is they're just after the result. They're after the finish line, and that's it. It's not about the finish line, right? It's about enjoying what you're doing as you're doing it. And that's something that I really want you to remember, because it's going to help you a lot more than you think, okay? So there you go. I want you to stay here, and we're going to go through another drawing lesson together. So stay here right now, and let's get started on the next lesson. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.